Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to create a Facebook page or create a new Facebook page. If you want to create a professional Facebook page or create professional business Facebook page or create personal Facebook page, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow me all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Facebook page. You can see my Facebook account. So in this time I can easily create a Facebook page or create a new Facebook page or create Facebook professional page. So let's see. After that, you can see three dot line, click on it, scroll down, you can see pages. So in this time you can choose and select pages, click here. After that, you can see create, click here. Which option is best for you? You can see two options. First option, personal, use another personal profile to explore Facebook. After that, second option, professional, build a public presence or promote your brand or business. So in this you can choose and select professional. You can see I can choose and select professional. After that, choose next, click here. Get started with a page. Use the name of your business, brand or organization or a name that helps explain your page. After that, you can see page name. So in this here you can type or write your new Facebook page name. You can see in this I can type or write my Facebook page name, Learn itech. After that, choose next, click here. After that, you can see search for categories. So in this here you can search your page categories. You can see many categories. In this you can choose and select your need categories. After that, choose create. Finish setting up your page. Success, you have created Learn itech. Now add more details to help people connect with you. So first of all, in this here I can write or type Facebook page bio. After that, you can see website. So in this here you can write or type your Facebook page website. After that, email. So in this here you can write your Facebook page email. After that, phone number. So in this here you can type or write your Facebook page phone number. So first of all, in this here you can write your country code. After that, write your Facebook page phone number. You can see first of all I can write country code. After that, write Facebook page phone number. Location. After that, address. So in this here you can write your address. After that, choose an open city or town. Search city by town. So in this here you can write or type your city or town. You can see in this time I can write address. After that, write city or town. After that, you can see postcode. So in this here you can type or write your postcode. Hours, let people know your location hours. You can see no hours available, always open, standard hours. So in this time I can choose and select second option, always open. After that, choose next, click here. Customize your page. Your profile picture is one of the first things that people see. Try using your logo or a simple image that people can easily associate with you. You can see in this time you can easily upload your Facebook page profile picture and cover photo. After that, choose next, click here. I can choose next, click on it. After that, done, click here. You can see in this way you can easily create a Facebook page or create a professional Facebook page or create a business Facebook page. After that, three dot line, click on it, open it. So in this way I can easily create Facebook page or create a new Facebook page or create professional business Facebook page. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.